Organ systems in animals. Introduction. Cells are the basic fundamental units of an organism. These are grouped to form tissues, the tissues into organs, and the organs form the organ systems, forming an entire organism. The different organs and organ systems of an organism function by depending on one another with harmonious coordination. When we ride a bicycle, our muscular system and skeletal system work together to move our arms for steering and legs for pedaling. Our nervous system directs our arms and legs to work. Simultaneously, respiratory, digestive, and circulatory system work to provide energy to the muscles. All the systems work together in coordination to maintain the body in a homeostatic condition of an organism. In this chapter, we will learn about the structure and functions of various organ systems like digestive system, excretory system, and reproductive system in human beings. Human digestive system. The food we eat contain not only simple substances like vitamins and minerals, but also complex substances such as carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. The body cannot use these complex substances unless they are converted into simple substances. The 5 stages of nutrition process include ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. The process of nutrition begins with the intake of food called ingestion. The breakdown of large, complex, insoluble food molecules into small, simpler, soluble, and diffusible particles by the action of digestive enzymes is called digestion. Parts of the body concerned with the digestion of food form the digestive system. Parts of human digestive system. Alimentary canal is a muscular coiled tubular structure. Mouth. Mouth is bound by two soft, movable upper and lower lips. Buccal cavity. It's a large space bound above by the palate, below by the throat. Pharynx. It's a membrane lined cavity behind the nose and mouth. Esophagus. Esophagus or the food pipe is a muscular membranous canal about 22 cm in length. Stomach. It's a wide J-shaped muscular organ located between esophagus and the small intestine. The gastric glands present in the inner walls of the stomach secrete gastric juice. Hydrochloric acid kills the bacteria swallowed along with the food. Small intestine. It's the longest part of the alimentary canal, long coiled tube measuring about 5 to 7 meters. There are 3 parts: duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. The small intestine serves both for digestion and absorption. It receives the bile from the liver, the pancreatic juice from pancreas. Large intestine. The unabsorbed and undigested food is passed into the large intestine. There are 3 parts: cecum, colon, and rectum. Colon consists ascending, transverse, and descending colon. The rectum is the last part which opens into the anus. Human excretory system. Metabolic activities continuously take place in living cells. All metabolic products produced by the biochemical reactions are not utilized by the body because certain nitrogenous toxic waste substances are also produced. They are called excretory products. In human beings, urea is the major excretory product. The tissues and organs associated with the removal of waste products constitute the excretory system. The human excretory system consists of a pair of kidney which produce the urine, pair of ureter which conduct the urine from kidneys to the urinary bladder, where urine is stored temporarily, and urethra through which the urine is voided by bladder contractions. If the waste products are accumulated and not eliminated, they become harmful and poisonous to the body. Hence, excretion plays an important role in maintaining the homeostatic conditions of the body. Some of the excretory organs other than kidneys are skin and lungs. Skin removes all amounts of water, urea and salt in the form of sweat. Lungs eliminate carbon dioxide and water vapor through exhaling. Skin. Skin is the outermost covering of the body. It stretches all over the body in the form of a layer. It accounts for 15% of an adult human weight. There are many structures and glands derived from the skin. It eliminates metabolic waste through perspiration. The human body functions normally at a temperature of about 37 degrees Celsius. When it gets hot, sweat glands start secreting sweat, which contains water with small amounts of other chemicals like ammonia, urea, lactic acid and salts. The sweat passes through the pores in the skin and gets evaporated. Structure of kidney. Kidneys are bean-shaped organs, reddish brown in color. The kidneys lie on either side of the vertebral column in the abdominal cavity attached to the dorsal body wall. The right kidney is placed lower than the left kidney due to the presence of liver. 11 cm long, 5 cm wide and 3 cm thick. Kidney consists of an outer dark region, the cortex, and an inner lighter region, the medulla. These regions contain uriniferous tubules or nephrons. Conical masses called the medullary pyramids, notch is hilum. Ureters are thin muscular tubes emerging out from the hilum. Urinary bladder is a sac-like structure. It stores urine temporarily. Urethra is the membranous tube which conducts urine to the exterior. Mechanism of urine formation. There are 3 stages: glomerular filtration, tubular reabsorption, third one tubular secretion. Glomerular filtration. Urine formation begins with the filtration of blood through glomerulus and Bowman's capsule. This filtrate is glomerular filtrate. Both essential and non-essential substances present. Tubular reabsorption. The filtrate in the proximal tubule consists of essential substances that are reabsorbed into the blood by selective reabsorption. Tubular secretion. Certain substances like potassium and large number of drugs like penicillin and aspirin are passed into the filtrate. This tubular filtrate is finally known as urine, which is hypertonic in man. Urinary bladder is full. The urine is expelled out through the urethra. This process is micturition.